Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to block website cookies on your iPhone. So if you want to block some cookies that are being sent from different type of websites on your phone, here is how you can get it done. The first thing we have to do is open up your settings app on your phone, then you scroll all the way down, then you tap on Safari. This is it here. Tap on Safari, then you scroll all the way down a little, then keep scrolling down, then down here you can see block all cookies. Then you have to make sure this particular option is toggle on in your settings. If it is off, make sure you toggle it, make sure you on it. Just tap on the button, then it will automatically on. And you can see, are you sure you want to block all cookies? Website may not work if you do this. Existing cookies and website data will also be removed. So this is things that you need to put into consideration. If you want to access some website that is categorically based on cookies, they use cookies to extract their data, you might find it difficult to access it. But if you still want to, maybe because of privacy, you can just simply block all, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.